Hey guys, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. I'm just making this quick video for you guys over at Atlas Chiropractic, just with a couple tips and tricks to increase your online presence on Google and to rank at the very top, to increase those calls, increase those clients at your guys's. Um, Lots of times, businesses just don't have the time to do all this kind of stuff. They're worried about their patients and all that kind of stuff, and they don't have time to worry about the marketing. But everything I'm going to show you today is super easy. If you feel you want to go out and do it on your own, by all means, you give her. But if you feel I have something to offer at the end of the video, then please reach out to me. So I'm going to go over three things today, and that is content, backlinks, and citations. Sorry. So first with content, Google likes you to have around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your page. When you bring up your guys' website here, sorry, my computer's just loading. You guys don't necessarily have your own website, so you're not getting ranked for any content on your website. It's just a basic chiropractor directory. Um, all content is going to do. Google scans your website looking for keywords and anything that makes you relevant to people's search terms. So, for example, chiropractor Brandon, anything on your site, anytime that it says chiropractor Brandon, it's going to be Google's going to go over your website, look for those keywords, and make you rank uh, higher in these organic searches. So since you guys don't have a website, you don't have a website that's going to rank in these organic rankings. But that's the reason Google likes to have lots of words. It's so that they can look for keywords and make you relevant for people's search terms. And you want to cover a few different keywords for different searches, just to make sure that you show up more than just one time kind of thing. The next thing I'm going to go over is backlinks. Now, since you don't have a website, I'm just going to show Victoria Chiropractor's website here. So as we can see, they've got 12 domains that refer back to them, giving them 51 backlinks. So a backlink is just any link that links back to your website. And these guys are, when we go through here, see they're at the top of the organic rankings. Now, 12 domains, that is not very hard to beat. It'd just be a matter of entering your business into them and going from there. Just because they don't have 12 doesn't mean you have to stop at 15. You can just keep going and making sure that you are at the very, very top of the Google rankings. Keep in mind though, not all backlinks are made quite the same. It's all about relevance with Google, and your backlinks have to come from sites that are relative to your guys' business. So to chiropractic care and massage and all that kind of stuff. The next thing I'm going to go over is citations. So a citation is any time your business name, phone number, and address are listed in a directory in Google. And as we can see here, you guys are doing pretty good on citations. You guys are second naturally here. This is an ad, so it doesn't, they're paying to be at the very top spot, but you guys are just under Live Cairo here. And so the amount of citations you have determines what your ranking is in this Google Map pack. And as we can see here, you guys have 30, while this Victoria Chiropractic Center only has 31. So in terms of citations, you guys are doing pretty good. But again, the more the better. And honestly, if you go and start getting 50, then all of a sudden they realize, whoa, why aren't we at the top anymore? Meanwhile, you've already way doubled them and they can't catch up. So yeah, those are the three things that I kind of wanted to go over. They're super easy. It's just a matter, all of these tools that I used, I do pay for, but there are plenty of Google citation finders on the internet, and there's backlink finders and all that kind of stuff. If you were to go and try and do some of this stuff on your own. But yeah, I would recommend maybe a website build just so that people can kind of search you up, look at what you're kind of all about, see what you have to offer, kind of thing. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So if you feel like reaching out, then please do. Please let me know what you think about the video, and have a nice day.